Hello and welcome to the Backyard Mechanic. I'm Sam and this is Sam's Grease Pit. Today we're trying to tackle an Audi 2004 A-6 with a transmission that needs to be replaced. And as you can see, we are in my grease pit. And this here is the undercarriage of these piece of shit German Audi. Nothing against Germans until now. I'll find Hitler when I get to hell. I'm gonna slap him right in the mouth. Anyway, we got her all unbolted and stuff now. We did our own little makeshift jack stand there, or transmission stand. It's serving my purpose anyway. It's holding up all the weight. Well, it was a pain in the butt. The biggest pain in the butt were the drive line here. See? These bolts here, they got them locked down tight. Like, I don't know, somebody's just a little bit heavy on their mechanic. I know that there was a, machine bolted on probably. And them some bitches don't want to come off. We broke bit after bit after bit. And that's just the back one. The front ones, these over here now, these were a real pain in the ass. This one right here, the 8 of them bolts there, they're a little bigger, but getting to them was, you had to tear everything apart. You know, the whole thing had to come out. Anyway, we got it all out. I'm just down to my last few bolts here. Bam, bam, bam. Transmission to the block, the engine block. Starter here, he's got a bolt coming this way and the other bolt goes the other way. Matter of fact, I gotta get that out still. It's right there. The backwards bolt. And then there's 3 on there and 4 on the top. Separate the transmission from the engine block. Alright, that's all I got for now. I hope this thing works out. Thanks to YouTube, because I got most of my information from them guys, how to get this shit done. Anyway, this is going to be my show, The Backyard Mechanic, Sam's Grease Pit. I'll walk out of here and give you guys an idea of what I got going on here. Oh, there it is. The Audi 2010 and Sam's Grease Pit. All right, have a good day.